Forno Appliances introduces you to the 48 inches wall mount range hood, model FRHWM5029-48. Dual utensil hangers are perfect for keeping your most frequently used tools at hand. The electronic display control with variable 4-speed function and with clock and timer is easy to use. Bright and white LED strip light for wide illumination. Long and sturdy metal shelf which can be used as a warming rack, heated via 2 infrared bulbs to keep your food and dishes warm. Includes an extremely durable and resistant to heat stainless steel backsplash that provides an easy to wipe off surface to keep your backsplash grease and mess free. Powered by 2 energy efficient motors rated at 1200 CFM combined, designed to capture smoke, gases, steam and grease to keep your cooking area free of unwanted odors. The baffle filters combination of panels and curved plates a larger surface area that causes oils in the hot air to condensate on the steel. Dishwasher safe design allows for easy cleaning. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, a new era in cooking appliance.